Introduction to Azure Synapse Git integration. Azure Synapse is a powerful analytics service that allows users to integrate and analyze data from various sources. Git integration is a key feature that enables version control and collaboration in Azure Synapse. In this tutorial, we will explore the advanced guide to Azure Synapse Git integration. Setting up Git integration. To set up Git integration in Azure Synapse, navigate to the Manage section and click on Git. Configuration. Select the Git provider of your choice, such as Azure DevOps, GitHub, or GitLab. Enter the repository name and branch name, then click Apply. This will link your Azure Synapse workspace to the specified Git repository. Configuring Git repository. Once the Git repository is linked, configure the repository settings to control how changes are synced between Azure Synapse and Git. You can choose to sync all changes or only sync specific changes such as SQL scripts or data pipelines. You can also set up branch policies to control who can make changes and when. Best practices for Git integration. To get the most out of Git integration in Azure Synapse, follow best practices such as using meaningful commit messages and tracking changes. Use Azure Synapse Git integration to collaborate with team members and manage different versions of your analytics solutions. Regularly sync your changes to ensure that everyone is working with the latest version. Using Git for version control. Git integration in Azure Synapse allows you to track changes and manage different versions of your analytics solutions. Use Git to create and manage branches to isolate changes and collaborate with team members. You can also use Git to revert to previous versions if something goes wrong. Collaboration and security. Azure Synapse Git integration enables collaboration and security features such as access control and authentication. Use Azure Active Directory to control who has access to your Azure Synapse workspace and Git repository. You can also use Git policies to enforce security and compliance requirements. Conclusion. In conclusion, Azure Synapse Git integration is a powerful feature that enables version control and collaboration in Azure Synapse. By following best practices and using Git integration effectively, you can improve collaboration and productivity in your analytics team. With Azure Synapse Git integration, you can track changes, manage different versions, and collaborate with team members to deliver high-quality analytics solutions.